Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how does Polywatch work. Also, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below so that you can go and purchase this exact Polywatch so that you can polish your acrylic watch crystals. So something really important to know right off the bat is that this is going to work only for acrylic watch crystals, so only for plastic or let's say resin watch crystals. So it isn't going to work for mineral glass or for sapphire crystal. If you have a vintage one, you can actually test and see if you have a plastic acrylic crystal, and that is going to work for you. Usually domed vintage watch crystals are going to be acrylic. So what we are going to do is to unscrew the cap, and then we are going to put on a little bit of Polywatch where we have the scratches. So as you can see right here, we have a few scratches that go onto the watch crystal. You can see them right here. Let me try to zoom in a little. You can see this blurry part of the watch crystal right here, and they can also be seen as you see right here. So I'm going to put some Polywatch right here. I'm going to use a piece of cloth that I have right here. I would recommend to use maybe an old t-shirt, something really soft, so that you can put the watch crystal and rub it against it. So I'm going to put the watch facing downwards, and now I'm going to rub it up and down. You can also go side to side, so you need to always switch directions. Something that I really like to do is to actually rotate the watch every, let's say, 10 to 15 moves, and that is going to ensure that I remove the scratches in all directions. So let's see the first result. You can already see a huge difference. So if I were to zoom in, you can see that those scratches have actually disappeared. This is 4x. You can see a few very tiny scratches right here on the side. That is going to be a little bit harder to polish. But for that part of the watch, what I would recommend is to put on a little bit of extra Polywatch, just like this. And then instead of rubbing the watch against the material, I'm going to take, let's say, a small corner right here, a small piece of cloth, and then I'm going to polish it like this. So this is going to take a little bit longer and it is going to be harder, but it is going to be the only way in which you can polish these sides when you have those, let's say, domed acrylic watch crystals. So usually those won't impact you as much as those that are on the front of the watch, because you won't be able to see them unless you look at certain angles. But let's also see how this went. You can already see a small difference. So a few of those scratches already started to become a little bit more tiny. And as you can see, you can actually see that here the crystal is going to be a lot clearer compared to this side right here. What I also recommend is to have a wet wipe and to remove all the extra Polywatch from the watch crystal, and also do that from time to time, and you can then re-inspect the watch and continue polishing. So guys, this is how Polywatch works. You now know that you can apply this to all acrylic watch crystals. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below. I would definitely recommend to go and have one or two of these tubes around if you have vintage watches, because this is going to be a lifesaver and you are going to have your watches look just as new. So guys, that was the quick tutorial that I had for you today. In case you enjoyed, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section below, maybe even what you would like to see next on this YouTube channel. And in case you would like to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, vintageradar.com, link in the description box below. We even have over 1,000 vintage Swatch watches, so I'm pretty sure you are going to enjoy. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and I'm going to see you in the next video.